Hi everybody, let's all get together and ruin a joke. Okay, so this is the joke from my friend Josh Robles, or Professor Robles if you're in his class. A physicist, an engineer, and a statistician are out hunting, and suddenly a deer appears. The physicist does some basic ballistic calculations, assuming a vacuum, lifts her rifle to a specific angle, and shoots. The bullet hits 50 yards to the left. The engineer adds a fudge factor for air resistance and shoots. Her bullet hits 50 yards to the right. The statistician yells, "We got him!" All right, now let's explain why that was hilarious. Okay, so this is an argument of means. It's a joke for the average. So let's assume that we're on a normal graph. So just an XY plane. Here's Y, here's X, and let's put our deer there. Oh, now I have to draw a deer. Okay, so it's got a head and a neck and a body and some legs and a little baby floof tail and some antlers. And they're trying to get it. Okay, so the first person comes up, the physicist, does some calculations and hits 50 yards to the left. So let's actually put the left on the left-hand side of the graph, so we'll call her shot -50. Okay, so this is where she hit. The engineer adds a fudge factor and her bullet hits 50 yards to the right. So we'll put right on the positive side of the graph and we'll call that +50. And the statistician yells, "We got him." And the statistician yelled, "We got him," because she did the calculations for the mean. So the mean is to take the number of data points we have, add them up, and divide by the number of data points we have. So we have -50 and +50. That is 2 data points. So we'll put that in for the lowercase n. And then we have to run our summation from 1 to 2 of all of our a sub i's, which in this case, that is just 1 over 2 of our first data point, which is -50, plus our second data point, which is -50. And so this gives us -50 plus 50 over 2, that's 0 over 2, which is better known as just 0, which happens to be right where our deer is sitting in between those two shots. So that would be why the statistician yelled, "We got him," because the statistician calculated the average and realized the average of the two shots was right in the middle. And now I'm just going to go ahead and pause for laughter. Okay, assuming that you laughed hysterically, I'm going to stop the video.